How to add tabs in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add tabs or menu items into your Google site website. So we are going to head over Google or sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, this is the site's dashboard. Select one of the recent sites that you want to add this option to, or you can go ahead and create a new one simply. I'm going to select a recent one, and then we're going to head over the tabs, and it is going to be listed in here, and also how we can command them or control them by heading over the pages. Click on pages like that. You're going to see the different pages or the tabs that you have here. They are going to be also showing in this header. So what are we going to do? Basically, to add a new tab is to click on the plus button, which is going to be transformed into a menu. We're going to have menu section, full page embed, new link, new page. Basically, the tab is going to be a page. So we're going to click on here, new page, and we're going to name it. So I'm going to name this page as, for example, tab 1. You can go ahead and have some advanced settings like the custom path, but I'm going to let it simple like this. So you can go ahead and have it like that. You can have the name of it right there changed, for example, I don't know, here to something else, and it is going to be still the same name as the slug for it. So you can go ahead and head over the insert, and then you can start adding, for example, blocks. You can add some sections, buttons, or whatever you want, dividers, spacers, and a lot of things. So that was pretty much it for today's video. You're going to find the tab that you have added from the pages to the specific space here. You can also control it by clicking on the page or the tab that you have added and change the, as you can see here, the organization or the arrangement of it to the third place, first place, or whatever place that you want. Also, you can put it as a sub tab or a sub page. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.